Hey, this is Amy from Sew Simple of Lynchburg, and I'm here at the Janome Institute with the brand new Janome 550E. This is an embroidery machine a lot like our 500E. The exception is this brand new ginormous hoop. So it is 7.9 inches wide by 14.2 inches long. And I don't think you can really appreciate that on the machine. So I'm gonna pop it on out. Look at this. All right, y'all know I'm a big girl. This is a huge hoop. All right, so also you'll see on the hoop, you have these two clamps. This is a new clamping system. It's patent pending for Janome. It has 3 positions: all the way open, halfway, and this allows you to reposition your item in the hoop, and then closed. While it's open, you can adjust these screws. You're going to do it in both corners here. They're diagonal to each other. Adjust it just the way you need it. When everything's ready, just snap it in and it is secure. Also on the back of the hoop, you'll see there are these little plastic bumps. I'm sure there's a better word than plastic, but I don't know what that word is. But what it does is fabulous. It gives that hoop a nice smooth ride on the extra large table that surrounds the machine. Also, we've got these little tabs on the outside part of our hoop that nestle into the inside of the hoop. And again, it helps hold your items secure in the hoop. You're not going to get anything popping out of this hoop. To go along with this big hoop, we've also got big designs. What good is a hoop if we don't have big designs? So it comes standard with some in the hoop projects that are absolutely adorable. So I'm going to go to those. Oh, somebody's already got them pulled up here. We've got these little monsters. We've got Sachiko Designs. I'm going to go through here this way. So we've got lots of designs. Here we've got our in the hoop designs. Got these little monsters, and then we've got Sachiko Designs, and these are great for adding extra texture to just plain fabric. It's amazing. I took some pictures of some samples. You're gonna love it. Here, and then finally, somebody's been surfing on Pinterest because they found all the cool embroidery designs for weddings. So we've got a whole series of customizable Mr. and Mrs. designs that you can add names to, make projects for the bridal couple. You know that's really hot. So I'm really loving this machine. We've already placed our order. We should see them in about a week or 2. So we'll be doing an unveiling at our shop. And again, that's Sew Simple of Lynchburg. Thanks for watching.